Welcome back to the little library. For this week's group assignment, me and John have made a login authentication page in PHP using our Postgres database online. So let's get into it. Let's start up the book API here. Alright, and we're serving all our PHP files on XAMPP, so let's get that up and running. And let's head over to the landing page.php, which has our sign up and login forms. We're going to go ahead and log in to our test user. And as you can see here, we were brought to the little library dashboard, and we have a welcome message for the test user. So let's go ahead and log out to the database real quick and run this query. And as you can see, we only have 2 users and the passwords are hashed for security purposes. Let's go ahead and sign in or sign up a new user. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Successful. It's going to take us to a login page where we log in. Alright, so as you can see, the welcome message welcomes me, and we're back at the dashboard. And let's go ahead and log out, and we're going to try to go to the dashboard without logging in. And as you can see, it's going to throw us back out to the landing page and try to get us to log in, as you can see here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's go ahead and look at the users again, and as you can see, the new user is added with a hash password. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Hello, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to get the little library to work. So first thing you want to do is go to your GitHub, either by cloning the repository where you can download it as a zip file and extract it to the file path that you need to go to. Here I'm going to go show you where I stored my file at. So if I go over to my C drive, go to my XAMPP file, go under htdocs, this is where my little library project's at. So next thing that you want to do is you want to open up VS Code, which I do have open up over here. Try this over here. And the thing that you need to do is open up 2 windows. So you do that. And the task view, snap that to the right. Alright, perfect. So first thing is to go over to the folder, go navigate to the same file path that we were at earlier. Docs, library. Alright, this one I'm going to open up as app, and on this one I'm going to open up as the book API. I know it gets a little difficult to go through this. And here we go. Select this here. Now we got both files running. So over here, this is where you want to run your terminal, or go through your terminal, or go through, type in as run. For some reason it's not showing up. I think it usually shows up whenever it's in full screen mode, but I'm going to show you the other way. So here I'm going to go stop that for now. Actually, this might be just a previous attempt running, but basically what you want to do is type in npm start. And this should run. this is going to be running on port 4000. Here, let me go pull it up here real quick. So whenever you type this in on your web browser, it should show up just like this, just let you know that you're connected. The next thing, also make sure you have your example control panel open up here, and make sure you have this ran. I know if you don't have it running, it'll just look like this. You just hit start, and that should be able to connect to your API. And then now you should be able to access it. So I'm going to open up a blank browser over here. Type in localhost. Then I'm going to type in the path that I have over here. It's a little library /app/landing page. I accidentally duplicate like I mentioned earlier. And over here, this is where it brings you to your page here. This is where you can go in, create an account, or if you already have one, you can log in, which I did create one from whenever I was first starting this. For my username, I just did Jono the Mono, just so I can make it rhyme. I have my password over here. And whenever you log in, it'll give you a login successful page, and over here you can go through all the different books that are on here, which is nice. Let's take you to the last page. This takes you back to the first page. There we go. Test out the search function over here. I'm going to look for East of Eden. And over here, it should narrow it down to your single result. And here you can log out. And just so I can demonstrate this here, I'm going to type in the name that I had originally. But if I type in the wrong password, it should give you an incorrect username and password error over here. And then on this forget password, this gives you the contact admins page, which is nice. You can either message us over here. Alright, and that's basically, that's how you manage to get this thing up and running. Thank you for watching, and take care.